It's wash day. And I'm just going to start out by rinsing my hair out with just water. And I like to do this for a nice amount of time just to get out the old dirt and products. I'm going to be using Aussie Miracle 7-in-1 shampoo. And I like to focus on my roots just because that's where the most of the dirt is besides your hair. But then I just work my way down the shaft of my hair as well. Now I'm just going to rinse that out, and next I'll be using Aussie Miracle 7-in-1 conditioner. And sorry about all the faces I'm making, but the water's just splashing in my face. Yeah, here's conditioner. This stuff smells really good. And don't be afraid to use a lot of conditioner. I know I usually like to use a generous amount of conditioner. You can never have too much. Now I'm just going to take my wide tooth comb and start at the ends of my hair and work my way up to the roots just to detangle. I usually split my hair into sections, but for the sake of the video, I just did the whole thing all in one. Alright, I'm just about done there doing that. I'm just gonna rinse that all out. And next I'll be using a deep conditioner made by Aussie as well. And this stuff is so good, it leaves your hair really moisturized. Now I'm just going to put on my shower cap and I'll leave that on for about 10 to 15 minutes while I shower. And now that that's done, I'm just going to go ahead and just finger detangle again. Just make sure I have no tangles in there. And my hair is so soft, you guys. I'm going to rinse that out. And this time I'm just going to rinse it out with cool water, and that helps to keep the moisture. And a little lift check there. Now I'm going to put on my t-shirt, little, I guess one towel to wrap on my hair. These is really good. I'll put it in the description box of where I got it from. And this is gonna wrap up the video. Hope you guys like it, and share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.